OMG.
Recently written.
Yeah, let me see. Did you read it all?
Well, yeah, and here it says a $4,000 annual raise for all of its workers would cost AT&T.
It's just a number. It's just like my math.
Were they considering something like that?
What, somebody
Oh no.
thought that
Oh no. He's going crazy. He's going crazy.
that's what this tax cut should have
Oh.
paid you
Oh,
for
Nana.
$4,000 gain.
Help me.
It's a lot.
Oh, Owen.
Oh.
Oh, I got arthritis in my feet.
Okay, so, no, see, what, if you go back, CBS.
Yeah, I saw that about the,
Go
Owen.
back. This is your stock report. It should be the same. What you do when you go down, you see you get all the
This is
readings, right?
You got
Through the day, and this is the end of the day.
dog.
So this is how everything closed, right? Okay, so then here, right, they went up, they're up 26 cents. Now here, this is the end of the ticker tape. If you go all the way to the end, it's gonna give you general news for the day. And then it's gonna start with that. It's my top. And it's gonna tell you about
Yes, I'm
the
getting
Dow.
ready to go double.
And you scroll a little more, the next thing on my list is the NASDAQ.
And I'm in
So
Virginia
there's the NASDAQ,
camping.
and then gives a little
That's
article
my
about the
grandparents.
NASDAQ. Maybe some
I
individual
don't know
accounts in NASDAQ. Next is the S&P.
if the video suddenly stops and I don't say bye, then that means my phone dies. I'll still post it anyway though when I'm done. Okay?
In this particular day, this may be, that's even a different article. I didn't even read that. Okay.
Start charging it.